How to add WhatsApp link in Instagram. So for this, head over to your Instagram application and then go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon, which is found on the lower right corner. Then tap on Edit Profile, and then from here you can see the Add Link option. So just tap that option and then tap on Add External Link. So in here you will need to create your URL, which is w.me/your area code plus your phone number. So for your area code, you don't have to add the plus sign. So say for example in Italy, their area code is 39 and then the phone number. Now once you're done, tap on the check icon which is found on the upper right corner. Now go back and you will see that your link has been created. And so that is how you add WhatsApp link in Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.